Well, I thought I'd share some home movies of Ember. She's acclimated to the house here in the backyard just wonderfully. Of course, back at the kennels, she had a whole hillside fenced in to roam around with her brothers and sisters and her extended family. So she came here and she's jumping off of furniture. She's running up flights of stairs and downstairs, and it's like she's been here all the time. She lets me know when she has to go potty, a little whimper or whine, and then she heads towards the door already. She's made some mistakes at night. I have her in the bedroom with me, and I close the door so she can't roam around the house at night freely. But she climbs up the little stairs. I got a foam rubber stair thing I bought for my other pups when they're young, and she's climbing up and down that onto the bed with me and snuggles with me.
She is just having a blast. Where'd she go with that tennis ball? She's so darn fast, I gotta use a wide angle to get her. She sure loves this tall grass. Maybe I'll leave it this high, or cut it higher, so it's not so short. Whoa. She's just loving it. Ember's exploring the kennel right now. You can come out. It's over here. Oh, she's gonna try to climb up there on the bed. She's exploring everything. And she's just 8 weeks old today. She is an adventurer, that's for darn sure. Ember, you can come over here. Ember, come on. There you go. Come over here. Ember, hey, over here. Oh, come on. Come on. Good girl. Watch your butt. Let me close the door. Okay. All right, come on. I'll have to move those so I can open that. All right, let's go outside. She is so darn quick. That was Kate's toy. There she goes. All these new sounds are new to her. She stays by me. I have to be careful I don't step on her when I'm walking or running. At least she brings it back to me. Puppy time. This is a warm, nice afternoon. Ember's playing in the leaves. Tomorrow is supposed to be nasty weather coming in. Another rainstorm off the Pacific. So I'm getting out here playing with her while the weather's good and the temperature's nice. Are you having fun? Yes, she is. She's just having a good time out here. The weather seems unnaturally warm. Mild, very pleasant. What are you doing, Ember? That is sheer joy. Oh. But like I said, I'm starting the leash and collar training along with the kennel training, or the crate training I should say. And I have my old iron crate I used when I was showing my dogs at dog competitions for obedience and confirmation. And then I've got my other mesh ones that you've seen. And it takes a little getting used to for the dog in the kennel or the crate, because they feel all alone, and they just have to know that we're still there. I have it right next to my bed, so I can lean over and tap on it or put my fingers through it and let them know I'm right there. Don't worry. But the hard part is not giving in. They'll get over it eventually, like a kid crying for a cookie. She does enjoy a pile of leaves to play in, though, with her little ball. She throws that thing around and just rolls and tumbles like she was roughhousing with her litter mates. Huh, ain't that right? Jesus. Holy smokes. What do you think, huh? She's enjoying them just like a little kid. Huh, girl? Yeah. You having fun? Yeah, we have the autumn winds. They're warm right now, but they're getting stronger. Lots of leaves to rake up. Huh, girl? What do you think, huh? Come on. Let's play. Of course, when you pull the camera out, she stopped playing. She was doing nosedives and tunneling underneath the pile and just everything you've seen kids do. Huh, girl? Well, what are you gonna do? Huh? Come on. People are watching. They want to see something. Oh, gonna come over here. Well, come on. Come on, get in the pile. No. There we go. That's more like it. Now, don't go digging for squirrel corn. They've put enough holes in the backyard, them and moles. Huh, ain't that right? Well, the rains have come. More of those atmospheric rivers, they call them. We just went into the ranger station here at a local state park and got our off-season senior pass. But anyway, I got my seat covers here for my passenger seat in my car, and then the full cover back here in the back for my dogs. Ember's doing really well. I took her inside when we were getting our slip, and she interacted with several people, and they just loved her. So now we're going to head home. The park here is packed. In bad or good weather, everybody's out anymore. I don't think anybody's at home. It's just insane trying to find a camping spot some places. So anyway, at least we got our pass so we can go camp this fall and winter into April 2025 even. So I'm going to go home and I'll do some researching on what state parks are open during the winter season and make plans to get some camping done for the winter time too. I hate just parking the thing and not using it at all. So Ember and I are going to go on some adventures. Huh, Ember? Yeah, good girl. Good girl. Okay. Well, we're going to head home. We've got our pass out here at the state park, and it's just damp and drizzly. We had a wind and rain storm last night, and I had just mowed the backyard, which sucked up all the leaves that covered it, thinking, oh, this is great. And I come out this morning, and holy cow, there was more leaves and branches on the darn backyard lawn than there was when I cleaned it. So that's the weather we're having, and it's going to be this way until probably nearly July. But hopefully we'll have a nice weather off and on that we can go camping, rain or shine. I seem to put Ember to sleep. Okay, we're moving on. Well, Ember and I are back home, and I'm looking over my maps of Washington State and all the parks in Washington State. So now I have to go on the website for Washington State Parks and find out when their winter schedule is going to be posted, which will tell me all the state parks in the area. Whoops, what a wiggle worm. That will be open for Ember and I to go use our senior camping permit for. So yeah, I'm looking at my maps for Washington State and Oregon, and depending on how many atmospheric rivers we have this year, one after another. She just took out of here with one of her toys. We're going to get the heck out of here and do some kind of camping for if only a weekend. So that's something that's coming up, guys. And I hope you'll hang in there, subscribe, and follow Ember as she grows and as I train her, and also whatever adventures we go on. Anyway, that's what's happening. So hang in there, and we'll see you later.